Hey gang, it's Jansen here and welcome back to the channel. In this week's video, we're going to be doing some good old product research. I'm going to be showing you a pretty straightforward tip to discovering and learning about new products and new product niches. Now, it's no secret that product research is pretty tough and it can be downright boring at times, especially when you're just using tools like Helium 10 or whatever other methods that you've come up with to find new products. Now, the method that we're going to be talking about today is actually a very straightforward one. And best of all, it's one that you can do on your phone or on your tablet when you're out and about, which is something that I find is quite a good way to basically do product research in little chunks, which obviously builds up over time. So without further ado, let's jump into the computer now and I'm going to show you exactly what this product research tip and strategy is. Okay, so the first thing that you're going to need to do, whether you're on your tablet, laptop, computer, phone, whatever, is head on to Amazon. Once you're on there, you need to type in a product or product niche that you are already aware of, just to kind of get us going, to start us off. So I'm going to type in dog barking collar. I'm going to press enter and straight away you can see all different products that are designed to help stop your dog barking. Now what you'll need to do is click into any of the listings that appear and then you need to scroll down to where the additional information section is here. And this is the little secret tip of mine that I use to basically help me do product research to discover new products. Click into the subcategory where it says basic dog collars. And what that will do is it will basically show you the position of all different dog barking collars. So the number one spot is the top seller within this subcategory niche. And the further down you go, the less sales that product makes, right? So that is actually not particularly interesting because we already typed in dog barking collars. But what is interesting is that Amazon now starts to break down the different subcategories, which we can basically browse to our heart's content. And the benefit of doing it the way that I just showed you is if you do have an interest in dogs or something to do with barking collars for whatever reason, you can use this method to immediately get to the right branch of subcategory. So let's just say, for example, that we were wanting to sell a product just to do with dogs. We could basically just click that dogs subcategory here and immediately we are being shown lots of different products that sell absolutely huge amounts. And we know that because the dogs category is a very big category. It's quite far up. It's not a subcategory, so a sub of a sub of a sub or anything like that. And you can also see the amount of reviews here are absolutely huge, which implies huge amounts of sales. So you can either start quite broadly here just by doing what I've just done. Let's just quickly run Helium 10, which is going to give us an estimate of the sales within the dogs niche. So it's very, very broad. Let's have a look at these sales. I mean, you can see straight away, can't you, that these products here sell an absolute ton. These earth-friendly doggy poo bags, they sell £50,000 per month. Not too bad if you can get it. And then what is this next one? Dog supplements, only 400 grand per month, whatever, no biggie. But like I say, because we've gone quite broad here, you might feel that it's going to be too competitive because obviously these doggy poo bags are selling huge amounts with 103,000 results. But again, now that we've clicked into dogs, we can now start viewing all of these kind of subcategories. So they're not the subcategory that we were just in with the dog barking collars, but they are the next level down. So let's just have a look. For example, let's go into toys. So maybe we're interested in selling doggy toys. And again, if we wanted to, we could drill down further. But what I'm going to do is I'm just going to quickly run Helium 10 again and just take a look at how these sales are doing within the toys category. And look at this one here. So we've got Outward Hound Dog Smart Toy, £70,000 revenue per month, which is pretty good, right? So this is a strategy that you can do on the move. You don't necessarily even need Helium 10 to be able to tell you the results when you're out and about. You can pretty much always estimate that the sales are going to be quite good within the top 10, provided that you are not drilling too far down these here within the sub categories. So what you would then do once you've got this idea, let's just say you were out and about or you weren't able to use helium-10, what you do is just write down this product name here, add it to your list of something that's of interest, and then when you get back home, you simply would just type in the main keyword associated with this product. So that's probably going to be interactive dog toy. So let's just go back to Amazon. Let's type in interactive dog puzzle. Let's try that, see what comes up. And then as soon as that's run, which you can see it has now, that is when you would then run helium-10 within the niche to basically have a look at how the sales are generally. So let's just have a quick look at what helium-10 says. So we can see here, can't we, that the results are actually pretty good for a number of these sellers. So this one here is 99,000. I think that's actually the same brand, but it's a different product. And how many reviews have they got? 5,000. That's quite a lot, but you never know. If you found a dog puzzle treat toy that was different design and basically was just more attractive than this one, you've got every much a chance of success as this person has here. Let's have a look what else there is. So we've got one, £12,000, and let's see what their reviews are. So they've only got 21 reviews and they're already doing £12,000 worth of revenue off what looks like, it's not quite the same of a dog feeding toy or something. It's a snuffle mat. So there you have it, guys. Look how easy that was. We've just found a possible niche for us to explore further, which is dog treat toys that basically reward you, right? So that is the main strategy that I've actually used historically, and I've also helped many other people or taught many other people within the Smashers Academy to use that as well. Now, if you, for example, did want to sell a product like this, but you were struggling to think of ways to differentiate, to basically make yourself stand out and compel the customer to buy from you, well, there's lots of different ways. Many of the common methods that I've spoken about before are to look through reviews, to look at different designs available. But you may have seen this earlier on in the video, those of you that are eagle-eyed. I have got a Chrome plugin that basically will auto-suggest different keywords for you based on what actual customers are searching for on Amazon. It's completely free, and I will put the link for that in the description below. So if we go to the search bar and we type in interactive dog puzzle, you can see that the keyword add-in has automatically shown for me what other people are searching for. And you can see people are searching for interactive dog toys for boredom, interactive dog ball, interactive Care Bear. That's probably not for dogs, that's probably for children. Interactive dog puzzle toys, interactive dog puzzle feeder, etc. These are all different ideas that you guys can explore in terms of additional niches to research, in terms of ways to differentiate, in terms of just product ideas, anything. So I would encourage you guys to get that. So that is it for this week, guys. It's a fairly short video, but I did just want to kind of reveal this product research method that you can do on the move. You don't necessarily need helium-10 to be able to verify that the sales are going to be good, provided that you're not going into a really niche subcategory, so a sub, all the way down. Provided you're not doing that, then the top 10 sellers within the category you're looking in should have a fairly decent amount of sales. But when you do get back to your computer, you will indeed need helium-10 or equivalent to be able to see what the actual sales are, so we can mitigate any risk of us selling a product that doesn't actually sell. So guys, I have got a fantastic deal from helium-10 at the moment. They are currently doing 2 months at 50% off. Normally they only do 1 month at 50% off. They're doing a very special, I believe it's only for the rest of this week, so I will also put a link for that in the description below. Otherwise, guys, that is the end of this tutorial. I hope you have enjoyed it. I hope you found value in it. If you have, please do remember to subscribe and give me a thumbs up. And if you've got any thoughts, comments, questions, whatever, do post them in the comment section below. Otherwise, have a great week and I will see you next time.